when I'm in the streets. DSG farts, then you see me breeze. Automatic DSG farts, it's a new thing.
Good everyone, Dsgpantha here. Today I'm actually doing the video on the Forge induction kit. Now I have already installed it. It's just going to be more of a showing you what I think of it, my personal preference of it, because I did have a different intake on it, so I'm just going to show my opinion, and we'll also go for a little drive so you guys can hear it. It's an open intake, and so the other one I had was an enclosed intake, so it's my first ever cone filtered open air intake. So let's get into it. And yeah, let's see what it's like. Also guys, look what I got. I got a section 59, literally for going to a car meet. We'll have a bigger video coming out on the subject of car meets at the moment, because I actually have just got a section 59 from a car meet. So I think it's a good subject to talk about cars and the car meet and the car scene at the moment. So we'll have a video coming out soon talking about that. But yeah, let's stop gibbering. Let's just actually get into the video and have a look at the brand new Forge induction kit for the E888-3. Gen 3 engines and the Gen 4 engines. So that is the Mark 8 Golf R and Audi S38Y and the S3AV Mk7 with 5 Gti. You get the drill. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so as you can see, we've got the bonnet open on my Golf GTI. Now this is the brand new Forge induction kit. Now as I said, it does fit on all of the E888 engines. So literally all the Golfs and all the Audis, these will fit on. So S3s and all the 2 litre TFSIs, probably the Cooper as well. I'm not too sure on that. I'm pretty sure it will fit the Cooper as well, as they're the same setup. But yes, so I would do a whole installation video, but I don't think it's necessary because it is that easy to fit. So if you do want to see an installation video, Forge will have one on their YouTube channel coming soon. So shout out to them, they will have their own installation video. So if you do need help, go over to them, and there is also instruction manuals, which I'll leave at the link in the description. Now, just before we get into chatting about this, if you do want to purchase this intake, it will be in the link in the description. Make sure to use the code that is down there as well, because you'll get a little discount on it. And yeah, so without further ado, let's chat about it and let's see how easy it was to set up, the benefits, and how I think it is. So with this being a air intake, now it doesn't actually have to come off like the normal one. So with the racing line, the R600 intake, stuff like that, you actually have to take off the whole, you know, everything, literally everything. By everything, I mean all of this, the inlet pipe, all of these pipes have to come off to literally fit it. Now, all you have to do for this one is take the stock airbox out, which is on these little grommets here. There's 3 grommets, they come out, and then you literally just have to undo the, I don't even know, that's the air pressure sensor, something like that. That has to come off as well, and then that just rewires through the hole. And then literally you bolt this in. So this is like where the intake will sit, like the little aluminium heat shield. And then you have this little pipe, inlet pipe here, which literally will just go inside of your OEM pipe here. And then you just use some little, I don't know, whatever you want to use, zippers or whatever tool you have to get this undone, and that will clip over the original pipe, so this one, and then you literally just literally a hose clamp, and then that is on, and then you are ready. Like, you are literally ready to go. That's how simple this intake is to do, which is why I highly recommend it, because if you're not good with, you know, doing stuff yourself, you can literally do this yourself, and it's a good way to get into, you know, doing bits yourself. I've done this myself, and I am not mechanically minded whatsoever, as everyone can probably tell you, and I done it within about 15 minutes, and I had a little bit of help from my dad just because there wasn't any manuals with it, but now there is an instruction manual. So go and download that if you need any help, or message me or Forge Motorsport on Instagram if you do need help. Now, I do also want to talk about the noise that this intake generates, because it is actually sexual. You get some sexy turbo flutters from it, which I will obviously going to show you in a minute, and you also get some very loud noises, and when you change gear in the DSG box, it flutters like mad. Hopefully I can try and capture that in the video today, but oh my god, for the money you're paying, of it's 250x of that, for the money you're paying for this intake, you are not going to find a better quality, a better or easier intake to fit, and a better sounding intake for the money. So I highly recommend you guys go and check this out. As I said, it will be in the link in the description. But further ado, let's start it up, let's get some noises, and let's go for a tiny drive. I'm not going to go for a long one, we're just going to go for a little drive, and you guys can hear what this sexual intake sounds like. Right, so people, we are in the Golf now. I've got the head mount on just so you guys can try and hear it. I haven't got a mic that I can put in the engine bay, unfortunately, but I have ordered one, so we will have that kind of content coming. But as you can hear, you can already hear it, like it's proper loud in here. So yeah, you can already hear it. It does sound mad, I can't lie. It's a sick intake, so it's not too loud, but you can hear it. And I have also got a video, as you can probably see this little thing here. You probably can't see it too well, but I have got a video coming on that very soon. So just, you know, watch it, watch out, it's coming soon. We do have that coming. That is a very interesting bit of tech. Now it does actually tell you where all the speed cameras are, etc. If you need any help, I haven't got it connected at the moment because we're connected to the GoPro, but it tells you everything. Like literally, if you need to know something, that thing will tell you it. So it's very handy. Yeah, it's one of the best things. Like it's basically having Waze, but if you forget to put Waze on, you've got that to help you. So you know, it's kind of like a bonus thing. As you can hear it, it sounds sick, you know. It's actually down here. I've kind of dodged the potholes. But yeah, that is literally the DP driver that just dropped to us. But, come on, mate, let's get out of the way. But yeah, so this is a national, so we can let me try and you know what I mean? You can hear it, it sounds sick. No, it actually sounds sick. Wait. Ooh, what was that? See what I mean? Sounds bad. Nah, come on. Come on, don't mess around. Forge, you've done your thing. I can't lie, they've done their thing, innit? Like. Mate, we're not even at the speed limit. This thing's just sick. Oh my god. See what I mean? It just sounds so aggressive, but it's not to the point where, like, if I chucked it in eco, like, even if I go, like, look, you can't even hear it now, so it's not like really annoying. Nah, come on, it sounds sick. We've got a little wall here. Nah, that sounds bad. Nah, come on, that actually sounds sick. Chase! Oh, no. I think it does flutter. If I go down a gear, I think it's second to third. Sometimes if you go slow enough, it will, you know, let's not stop here. There's no, I'm not getting into that, but I'm not stopping there. No, I'd rather not get deaded. Yeah, let me slow down. So if I slow down here, sometimes it will, you just gently go into it. I don't always do it, but sometimes you get the. It sounds sick, honestly. No, it actually sounds bad. On the Golf R, I believe it flutters a lot more. I don't know if it's just because of the setup of the GTI is different to the Golf R, so they got a different type of. Whether they're the same engine, but they're different. I don't. Yeah, whatever. Sure. But yeah, it's slightly different, so it sounds a bit different. Like that, when you come off, it's different. When you come off, that bang, and then you get the yeah, let's we'll cut back and then I'll end the video. But yeah, like, honestly, just listen to this when I pull away, innit, like. Nah, come on, man. You can't, this induction kit sounds different. Listen to it. I hope you guys can hear it. I'm gonna be really annoyed if I've done this and you guys can't even hear the induction kit. I can't lie, it's differently. It's that loud that you should be able to hear it. Like the Dorenza one was good, but it definitely wasn't as loud, and I just wanted more noise. I don't really care about the IET, the induction air intake temps and stuff. Like, I'm not bothered. I honestly not. I just wanted noise, and it sounds beast. It sounds like you're pushing 400 brake when you're not. I'm not telling people what brake this car is, but you get what I mean. It sounds like it's pushing more power than it actually is, which is why I love this induction kit. It's in the description, so go and check it out. I'm probably going to end the video here. So thank you guys for watching. We are so close to 10k. I have a sick video coming Wednesday. Now I'm uploading Wednesday, which I never normally do, but I'm uploading Wednesday at 7 PM. I've got a video coming with HS Styling. Go and give them a follow. We've got a sick video coming with them to do with the interior, so shout out to them. That video is coming soon. Make sure you go and follow them, go and like it, go and subscribe to me, Dsgpantha. We're almost at 10k. Let's just get to that 10k, man. Come on. And I'll catch you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace.
O's when I'm in the streets. DSG farts, then you see me breeze. Automatic DSG farts, it's a new thing.